Welcome back to another video. Today we're shopping at Walmart for tools. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tool reviews, more Home Depot, Lowe's, Harbor Freight. Alright, we're looking at the power tool section here at the Walmart. Basically we got some that's a battery right there for $16.94. As you know, Walmart does have their own brand power tool brand, like drill, impact driver, circular saw, reciprocating saw type. Their name is Hyper Tough, and they also do carry Black and Decker. So, just to let you guys know, those are the Black and Decker. That's like a power head that they have. So you can switch it's like a drill, and you could just switch the power heads to like a reciprocating saw or a circular saw. Just don't expect these tools to do the like professional work or anything like that. It's mostly for your household items or household projects, small projects around the house. So, and that's the Hyper Tough right there, and the Black and Decker on the right. Black and Decker Matrix. So that's like the drill that comes with the power head. It comes with the with the reciprocating saw power head thing. And you basically take that metal part off and just stick that in there. Those are the different Matrix Connect from Black and Decker. So I guess it's a nice little tool if you don't want to have like a lot of tools. Just want to have one tool and just do it all. You can just buy the different power heads that go on this and just go with that. Me personally, I like to have a tool for a different tool because if something breaks, I just replace that tool. And those usually that motor or that design is designed specifically for that tool. And this is like a one-time do it all type of deal. That's the bits right there. It's a nice bit set right there. We got some drills. We got some jigsaws, angle grinders, sanders, sanding paper, angle grinders, reciprocating saw at the bottom, and the circular saw. That's what I was telling you guys about having one tool for everything. I'd rather have a tool for every tool instead of having one for all. So that's my point of view. But yeah, that's the 20 volt max circular saw, and that's the skill circular saw blades. Those are tool bags. It's a nice little tool container that I saw. Has two different types of containers in the inside. As you see, it has the plastics on the side that opens up the bottom piece. There you go. That's how you open and see the bottom part. For me, I just like something a little bit more simpler, just a normal box or with different bins on it. Just like what Harbor Freight and Milwaukee and DeWalt offer. It's a nice toolbox right there, Hyper Tough. Sawhorses right there for $9.98 or $8.98. That's the accessories for the tools, the toolboxes. It's magnetic, so you can put the screwdrivers right there, hanging tray, and then you got the paper towel, and then you got another accessory hanging tray. You got some gloves, some eye and ear protection. So if you guys need eye and ear protection for the shop, or for just a quick job or a DIY project, you can just pick yourself something like that. And then we got some air tools by Hyper Tough. Some degreasers and stuff. That's a power fit to clean the floors with the power washer. So the compressors. We got the smaller ones over here. $49.99 for the smaller one. We got some power washers.
Well, let's get real. When will you ever use it? Why do you need it?
Some vacuums. Shop Vac brand. So if you guys didn't know, yeah, Shop Vac is a brand. Usually, other vacuums won't put Shop Vac on their vacuum boxes, where they're advertising. So they just put their vacuum. We got some nice box cutters, utility knives. Got some clamps. It's a nice 4-way clamp. Got some staplers. A little vise down there. Or tape measure. It's a nice little stud finder. I got a few of them actually. Not bad prices. Yeah, Walmart has a lot of different tools. I'm a little surprised how many tools I found. But yeah, you could basically start a small shop with Walmart. A basic shop, and you could probably do everything with this, with all these tools. It's a nice little Stanley toolbox. Allen wrenches. It's a nice Stanley brands. We got the channel locks at the bottom. So they do sell name brand tools here. Hyper Tough, Stanley. I like the black oxide or the black color on those wrenches. Looks kind of nice. We got a lot of sockets. A lot of different sockets. Like those deep wad sockets. We got some nice tool kits. We got the work lights. Alright guys, well this was just a quick video. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.